What's up guys, it's Eric from Financial Hawks. In today's video, we'll be going over 5 ways you can make money on YouTube. Let's go ahead and get into it. And if you haven't already, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to stay connected on this financial journey. Now, there's a lot of ways to make money on YouTube. And no matter your niche, there's bound to be at least one way you can make some money. So if you're looking to make a little side money or to make something full-time, hopefully this video will help out in getting the ball rolling on monetizing and making money from your YouTube channel. Number 1, sell a product. On your YouTube channel, you can sell merchandise like t-shirts, coffee mugs, whatever with your branding on it. You can also use sites like Teespring to create the t-shirts for you and to also deal with your customers. So you can sit back and just take in the money. On top of physical items, you can also sell digital items too, like creating a digital planner to sell, or you can even sell courses. I created some courses like the 30 days to YouTube, which you can definitely check out in the description box below. The course helps out on how to create a YouTube channel and getting a strong foundation, and also to get you ready to make money on that YouTube channel. You can use sites like Kajabi or Thinkific and create revenue from those courses. The list goes on and on and on, but making money from selling a product is an age-old tactic that will always work. Number 2, Google Adsense. You probably all have heard of Google Adsense, where you make money from having ads being placed on your YouTube videos. Well, guess what? This is an actual way to make money on YouTube that anyone can do. Once you get to 1,000 subscribers and also the high watch time hours, that is. Though relying on ads can definitely be shaky, since one month it can be really high and then the next month super low or non-existent, since you're relying on advertisers. But AdSense can be a good way to make some good money on the side. And once your channel becomes huge and you're getting hundreds of thousands, if not millions of views per video, then you will really be doing some work on the AdSense side of things. Number 3, brand deals. Working with companies to get paid to do a sponsorship video. These can be full videos or even sometimes just a mention either at the beginning of the video or at the end of it. This can be a great way to make some serious cash on your YouTube channel, and something that if you build out right can be a consistent revenue for you and for your channel. Now, if you're a big channel, you probably get loads of emails from different brands wanting to work with you already. Heck, on my Indigo Gaming channel, when I was at 10,000, I was already getting a slew of emails. However, if you're smaller, you may have to go ahead and do the outreach first yourself. I would recommend going out to brands, not just for the money, but also that fits your niche and your audience. So when you're making your branded content, your audience will be fully committed and more receptive at buying whatever product that is. Number 4, affiliates. Another big one on YouTube that I've seen do numbers for people. You can use affiliate links in your YouTube channel, in the description box, for example, to make money on other people's products. This is easy because you don't actually have to create the product yourself. All you have to do pretty much is let people know about the product and link and just have them click on it. That's it. Finding affiliates that meet your niche is also pretty easy too. You can check out ClickBank, for example, and find hundreds, if not thousands of different affiliates that you can go ahead and actually start working with today. You can also type in your niche and affiliates in the Google search bar, and you should be able to have a large list of potential affiliates you can work with. And let's say that doesn't work too. You could then use shopping sites like Amazon. Amazon has the Amazon Affiliates program, where you can make money from anyone clicking on your link and buying anything from the Amazon store within a 24-hour window. And if they do buy anything, you will get paid a percentage. So again, affiliate marketing is definitely something you can look into. Heck, some of my courses below are affiliated courses. So yeah, affiliate marketing is definitely where it's at. And lastly, number 5, create a Patreon. You can create a Patreon or any other fan subscription site and have your fans pay a few dollars to you every month in order to get exclusive content like behind the scenes stuff, extra videos, the list goes on. From there, you can continue doing your regular routine on YouTube with the added bonus stuff for your loyal fans. and create a special hub for your most dedicated fans as well, who you can then sell even more stuff to in the future. So yeah guys, this is 5 ways you can make money on YouTube. There's probably thousands of more ways, but these 5 should definitely get you up to speed and making money sooner rather than later. If you also need help with creating a YouTube channel, definitely check out the 30 Days to YouTube course in the description box below. The course will get you up to speed with creating a YouTube channel with a great and solid foundation that will have you ready to make money and grow even more over time versus one that has no foundation and crumbles after a few months. I'll be adding some more bonus content to that too, so definitely be ready. And again, if you haven't already guys, be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I will be seeing you guys in the next video. Peace.